Okay, it's the 30th of January. It's a Thursday. Um, going to give you your 48-hour forecast for northeastern Pennsylvania, including Wyoming Valley and northwestern New Jersey. You can see this is around 6 o'clock. There are some freezing temperatures up here in the Poconos, not in the lower valleys, but in the Poconos, and you should keep that in mind because as precipitation moves in overnight, those freezing temperatures are going to make a big difference. We'll take this to around midnight. You can see the valleys are above freezing, but there are sections of Wayne County and the Poconos and out here west of Dallas that are still around freezing at this point in time. Um, we don't have any precipitation coming in until as we get to, and this is just the beginning of it. This is around 4 o'clock in the morning. Now, you can still see this is freezing precipitation, and the reason for that is because at that hour there are some freezing temperatures. Now, it's very going to be, very iffy. If you're above 33, 32, it'll just rain. 32 is pretty close for it to freeze. I'm not too sure the roads are going to freeze, but the ground is cold, so you may have some surfaces where it does freeze. As we get to around 10 o'clock in the morning, you can see a lot of areas are beginning to, wind up with a little bit warmer temperatures. So there's just scattered freezing precipitation at this hour. And then as it moves off, you can see it gets less and less to when it literally just basically turns over to all rain. And this is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And at the end of this, you can see up here, this is around 8 o'clock Friday night. There could be a little mix, could be a little snow, but not much as this thing breaks up as we go through the night. This is around midnight on Friday. The total amount of snow is again, you got to go north into New York really to see anything happen, but there could be a dusting just south of the border up here. And as you can see, freezing rain, very light amount of freezing rain because, like I said, it eventually will turn over. But there is some freezing rain up here in New Jersey. There's some freezing rain in the lower Poconos, and again out here out just to the north of Williamsport. But nothing in the Susquehanna Valley that's going to be freezing with this storm. So that's kind of it. The precipitation total, but of rainfall. Let's see if we can get to that. There's your total rainfall. Half an inch, a quarter of inch to the south, but a half an inch is normal. There could be a couple high spots that get up to 3/4 of an inch of rain. So maybe to clean up some of the roads. We don't really want downpours because of the ice on the rivers and stuff, but this might help move it just a little bit and melt it a little bit. Because this month, the first half of this month, temperatures are going to be all over the place. All right, this is Fred. That's your northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern New Jersey weather update for the next 48 hours or so.